You know what? Just forget this intro and get straight into the video. So I hold and then I tap these. This game is okay so far. Oh, I caught a fish, so now I click and hold the screen. Damn it, I'm going to lose the fish. Please. God damn it. You know what? I'm hungry. If you're hungry, just cook this. Goodbye. I don't know how to cook, but okay. A very good transition into a kitchen. So, what do I do? If I had to guess, throw it on the stove. Where the frick did you come from? I have absolutely no clue. I feel like I just appeared here. Right, that makes a lot of sense. Just cook the fish. Yo, Tomioka, how long are we supposed to let it cook for? I didn't know I was supposed to know. I thought you would know. Bro, I literally asked what do I do? Oh frick, we cooked the fish for too long. Yo, Tomioka, take the fish off now.